little pig, let me in.
Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin.
And I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow, blow, blow.